mics to you, lady. Okay. Twinkle. If they want to sit in front of you, this girl laughs too loudly. Twinkle, my French fries. Button, don't do this to me. So, Kajol, is that true for you?
Only when there are people taking pictures, so good too.
Okay, we're going to get some mics to you, ladies. Hi. Is this really happening? Because I think I manifested this. Or let me correct myself. I manifested this. This is amazing, girls. Thank you so much for joining me. As the host only for today, I want to start by welcoming the both of you. I have to say that this pairing is super interesting, but I want to ask you, what made each of you think, yaar, humne kafi aapas mein baat kar li hai. Let's get some friends and let's make this a whole show on Prime Video. How did that happen?
So basically, like Mrinalini said, she came to me with this idea that, I would love to we would love to take this and, put a female gaze on it. And there's like, we see you doing this. And I was like, yeah, actually, even I see myself doing it. and I think universally, we all were like, oh God, the only person that we can see, who will be able to give us the sarcasm and the unfiltered things that we want to say but never do would be Twinkle. And that's how it all came together. Of course, we've known each other for a while, but no, we've never collaborated on anything. So yeah, it was great fun. And the BTS is way more fun. I just want to tell you that.
Oh my God. Okay. Twinkle.
And you said that we called our friends. Who says these are friends? They're not. I mean, we behave like insurance agents and telemarketers. We made cold calls. Whoever said yes, we got them on our show.
Oh my God.
That's how we're here.
That is Twinkle for you. This is amazing. Okay, fun question. You can respond as you feel like. How much is too much, ladies? We'll start with you, Twinkle.
Individually, we've always been too much, and together, I think we are.
I think you
too much.
I think we leave it up to your imagination. I don't think I want to put a limit on it and say itna hi hoga. Isse definitely zyada hi hoga.
That is amazing. Okay, yeah, I think that's awesome. Okay, so you've already kind of responded to this, but I'm going to ask you again. How does one make the short list to your show? If they want to sit in front of you, they want to be questioned by you, and they have not you, but two. So how does that happen?
If we have their numbers on the phone or not.
I can't believe they're saying this again and again. Twinkle.
There were only two things they had to do. They had to be breathing, and they had to kind of be available. That's it. And we call them.
This is hilarious. We're going to play a fun game, and this is a time where our friends from the media are actually going to participate. I'm going to request the two of you actually stand on the other side of the screen, and this is for my friends from the media. Hi guys, over to you. Prime Video making us do fun things at their trailer launches. Thank you so much. It's very simple. There's a QR code that's going to appear on the screen right now. You've got mobile phones with you. All you've got to do is pull it out and just scan that QR code. Okay, you scan it. What's going to happen is trivia questions are going to pop up, and you are going to actually answer the questions. And these are questions about, guess who? It's Kajol and Twinkle. So, hey. Everybody's got the QR code. Everybody scanned it. Everybody's okay. Do you want the QR code back on the screen, anybody? You want it back. Let's get the QR code back if that's possible, please, if you don't mind. Thank you so much. It's fun. Everyone should play. Everyone should play. So even if you're not from the media and if you're here attending as a guest, trust me, you want to know your Kajol and Twinkle slightly more than we do. Okay, let's move on. You're going to see the first question pop on the screen. And the first question is, you have to guess what Twinkle's first impression of Kajol was when they first met. You have 4 options. Twinkle thought, this girl laughs too loudly. Twinkle thought, why is she eating my French fries? Twinkle thought she's fun but also slightly scary. Or she said, finally, someone with thicker hair than me. What do you think Twinkle might have said when she first, got to know that this is the first impression? So you got to click ABCD, okay? Either of those, and then click submit. If you don't click submit, nahi hoga. Ho gaya? Sabka ho gaya? Kya baat hai, you guys are too fast for this, man. This is amazing. Let's have a look at what the audience polled. Amazing. Okay, Twinkle, the audience thinks that You thought Kajol is this girl who laughs too loudly. You have to confirm or deny, or you tell us what your first impression was.
Kajol is good at everything. The only thing she can't play is Chinese whispers. So yeah, she does laugh too loudly.
Oh my God, the audience actually got that one. This was amazing. Let's move to the
I
next
have
one.
an open book.
Yes. All right. If Kajol had to describe Twinkle in one word, what would she say? Would she say she's quirky, savage, unfiltered, or all of the above with extra sarcasm? Choose A, B, C, or D. And as soon as you do, please click the submit button. And once you're done, just give me a sign. Just say ho gya or whatever with your eyes. They do that. They're friends of mine. They know how to do that. Like, yeah. All right, the results are 68%. Okay, that became 65. Stop messing with me, guys. 65, 64. Stop it, guys. Okay, 64% said all of the above with extra sarcasm. And up to Kajol, ma'am.
I'm telling you, the mind readers. Everybody's a mind reader over here. What can I say?
So you thought she was quirky, savage, and unfiltered with extra sarcasm.
Absolutely, no two ways about it. That's the reason that we even decided that, she definitely should be there.
This is amazing. Thank you so much, ladies. Let's move forward to our third question. Twinkle's favorite Kajol movie is DDLJ because kiska nahi ho sakta. Kuch kuch hota hai because shots in a summer camp are iconic. Gupt, which is my favorite film of Kajol because Twinkle likes her heroines dangerous. Good answer. Ya phir D, pyar to hona hi tha because she secretly ships Ajay Kajol. Secretly ships का मतलब होता है worships, guys. लेकिन आज के ज़माने में nobody wants to use full words because everybody's lazy. A, B, C, D. Go for it. A, B, C, D. Okay, and if you've hit submit, let's look at the answers. Let's look at it. Okay, it's on the screen. Oh, this is a bit up and down, okay? I love it. I might have moved that poll because Gupt is my favorite film of you, Kajol. And the audience thinks, the audience is messing with my mind right now because Gupt also, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also, DDLJ also. Hang on, guys. I think, Twinkle, you might need to clarify.
But listen, hello, 27 plus 27 plus 27 plus 18 does not make 100.
Why are you all doing math? Don't do this to me.
But it's true. Where is the extra 3% going?
3%. Guys.
But the audience is right. I'm as confused as they are. I don't have a favorite either. They're
Not
absolutely
bad.
right.
Not bad. Well, thank you for, as they would say, okay, Gupt has won by 2%. Thank you so much. Our next question on the screen, please. Kajol's go-to reaction to Twinkle's witty remarks are laughing till she snorts, rolling her eyes but secretly noting it down, pretending to be offended, never. All three in under 30 seconds. So, audience, you know what to do. A, B, C, or D. Click submit and we'll have the results on the screen in just a little bit. Okay. We got, all three in under 30 seconds seems to be the safe bet. So, Kajol, is that true for you?
Pretty much. Maybe not the second one so much, but yeah, the first A and B, C to
A and
definitely.
C for sure.
No two ways about
she's
it.
always pretending she's
I
offended.
don't pretend to be
she
offended.
does.
I
And then
genuinely am sometimes.
No, I've been very restrained on this show.
I have to give you
Right? I've been a
kudos for
good
this.
girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Is there another?
Kind of.
Yes, we have
Sort
a
of.
last one. This is
Maybe.
fun. If Twinkle directed a movie with Kajol in it, what would the title be? Kuch kuch witty hai, kabhi laughter, kabhi roast, Dilwale Dulhaniya टांग खींचेंगे, के टांग खींचेंगे, और Gupt 2. I love this obsession with Gupt. Gupt 2, The Secret of Kajol's Side Eye, which is absolutely marvelous. All right, guys, you vote, and we'll come back to the screen. Let's have a look if you've hit submit. Okay, let's see. I'm swaying this poll, obviously. Everyone thinks, 46% think it's Gupt 2, The Secret of Kajol's Side Eye. But Kajol, let me confess. As a fan of Twinkle, I'd like to believe she'd like that title also. Twinkle, you'll have to clarify.
D, definitely. Yeah, I've seen her rolling her eyes all the time. She does it, especially when there are people taking pictures. So Gupt too.
All right. Okay. Thank you. One last question. Which of these is most likely to happen if Kajol and Twinkle went shopping together? A, they'd buy one of everything and call it therapy. B, they'd roast each other's choices louder than the store's playlist. C, they'd start thinking of ideas for the next episode right in the middle of the store. Or D, they get too tired to decide and end up going for lunch. Sounds like me. That's what I would do. But let's see, what do you think Kajol and Twinkle would do if you actually hit submit? Hey man, ye hamare, thoughts are milo-juloing. I like it. Okay, D is what is Max, which says they get too tired to decide and end up going for lunch. Ladies.
Always.
Oh!
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Food before everything else.
I love
Done.
it. I do want to take a minute and acknowledge my friends from the media who know so much. Can we give them a round of applause? They're amazing. This is why you do what you do. This is amazing. 25th September, 10 days to go for the show to launch worldwide. But in the meantime, do you think we should do what we're here to do, which is like maybe launch this trailer, girls?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
yeah.
I'm going to leave it to you. Please.
Chalo.
Yeah. As soon as you say, we'll play the trailer. Are you ready?
Yes, absolutely. So, guys, here we go. And here is our little. Please don't judge us too harshly.
No, judge us. We're really good. Absolutely not being humble here.
See?
Yeah.
This is why we got her. Chal.
Okay.
Go
Here
for
it
it,
is.
guys.